see what Spice are talking about, eh? You see it? After all that money on the plate, look what they're gonna give me for snack pan. One chocolate chip cookie and one little orange juice, eh? Them things as Spice are talking about, you know? It's a good thing, so me ask one cup of coffee, can I get one cup of coffee too? Sure. Alright, so we just land in a Boston. Boston? Yeah, we just landed in a Boston and we're there at Starbucks. She can't even wait. What? She just can't even wait. See, and we're just there now, so we are gonna get some eatings. You understand? So these are the eatings so we are check out right now. Look for it. Alright, so me get the fisherman's platter. That's something there's something that even know what. Nice fried crispy. You see, with a little bit of rice and coleslaw. What is your order?
Marinated chicken, jasmine rice, and coleslaw.
Oh, so she ordered some marinated chicken, jasmine rice, and coleslaw. Alright, so I'm going to slaughter the food here right now, and then we'll forward back. See? So, next check-in, we'll see. Alright, so we just done digest some food a while ago, and now we are in the airport about to board the next flight and head out again to continue the journey. You know what I say? But as we tell you now, every step of the way, we are going to keep with the way. You see me? See JJ, yeah, I go and change out some currency. You see? Yeah, change out some currency. Hear the money, hear the money. Hear the money sound good. Money sound good. Anyway, we're so forward. Alright, so we're on the next plane right now. So this is the third plane. The third plane we are board for the day. You see, and the flight here, I going to be how long? 12 hours we are going to be on the flight here for. You see me? Yo, we are telling you people, one thing to the plane big. Plane are big. You see me? But yeah, we are push out again. You see what I say? So you don't know this is the second update for the day we're gonna get. So the next update is going to be when we don't land our final destination. You know what I say? Then we give you another update right there. So, but for now, we still not give you which part we are landing. When we land, then we make it see. Yes, whatever about people, make sure stay tuned and keep up with me. So you know, say once we reach, we know already. You know what I say? Watch out, man. Unstoppable. Nobody stop it. I'm going to sleep because that flight here go long. Yeah, like a more.
Unstoppable.